welcome back to my channel. Today I focus on only black and white photos. It was really tough for me because since I love taking photos with the colors, but today I decided to use only black and white. So I hope that you will gonna enjoy this video. I'm sorry for this kind of linear footage. I'm not sure why it happens. I just usually wear like GoPro chest mounts, and usually like the footage itself is pretty much horizontal, but like this time it's kind of, I don't know, like it's not horizontal, so I'm sorry for this. And today it's really cold, and I didn't actually expect that. Really cold, and started raining sometimes. It's already May, so it should be a bit warmer and not like wearing cold jacket, like jacket for winter. But these days it's kind of cold, and even if it's a sunny day, at the end evening it's kind of cold in Poland. So yeah. And here I decided to use a tripod to try double exposure, but maybe like I made some mistakes, or I still don't know how to do double exposure. So I decided to use a tripod to follow people, kind of match up the people's movement, and yeah. I just didn't know that there's some like a bunch of scooters, and like not all of them are from Japan, from Poland, but maybe from Czech or even from Germany. It was quite interesting, and I tried to capture some kind of a scooter's mirror, like frame people there and try to capture some good moments. Basically during this POV, I was really frustrated because I was really shy, like on the street, because I could have like kind of not confronted, but like face people and try to like photograph people with a closer range. If you are interested, my opinion about like getting out of comfort zone, please check my previous video. But I was really frustrated today, and I guess it's from next time I'm trying to like photograph people like really close range, so that not gonna happen, like not gonna feel like that way. In the shot, I didn't have to actually blur the photos, slower the shutter speed. So yeah, it's kind of great example for me when like sometimes you don't have to like slower the shutter. You shouldn't actually slower the shutter. I didn't know that this woman with the umbrella and the behind this woman had the same hand gestures, so it was kind of good competition, I would say. And again, in this shot, I could have, of course, like get closer to this person, so that this photo could look better. It was a lucky shot because I didn't even notice that I photographed this shot. The upcoming photo is possibly my best shot today, because I can see this like parasol and this person's umbrella. It's really matched up, and also the depth of the field and the leading lines. So it was I guess good picture that I can possibly improve in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Please give the thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell if you like, and see you in the next one.